Hi guys, it's Marianne, the Frugal Chef. I hope you're well. Let's make this spicy margarita today. But a couple things first. I want to do a shout out to my friends at Drinking the Platform. If you guys want to see how real cocktails are made, go check them out. Those guys really know what they're doing. They have no idea that I'm doing a shout out. So guys, if you stop by, let me know in the comments, okay? Secondly, if you haven't subbed and you would, I'd really appreciate it. Turn on the notification button and let's do this. All right, first thing we're gonna do is put some salt on the rim of our glass. So for that, we're just going to pass a piece of lime on all the sides here. And we're just gonna dunk it onto a plate with salt. Okay, we don't wanna go overboard. A nice thin layer of salt is good. I'm gonna put 2 jalapeno coins into this cocktail shaker. You can put more in if you want it spicier. The more you put in, the spicier your margarita is gonna be, okay? And we're gonna muddle it inside there. Like that. Now I'm going to add 2 ounces of tequila. I'm going to use triple sec. You can use any orange liqueur you want, and we're gonna do half an ounce. Half an ounce of agave. You can also use simple syrup, guys, if you want. And I'm going to add 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Put a little bit of ice in here. So now we're gonna shake. And we pour our drink. Over some ice. I'm gonna add a coin of jalapeno inside the drink. Salud. This margarita, 10 points. Oof, yes. Delicious. Happy Cinco de Mayo, my friends. Please enjoy responsibly. I'm gonna see you soon.